Wow.
What do we think about the SLX, boys?
That's an impressive one. That was exhilarating.
Exhilarating?
It takes a long time. This thing just little.
It's actually kind of fun. It's fun, right? It's incredible how much it takes. Wow. Dude. I think that's the most fun part about the boat. Like, I didn't even hang the board racks or anything. We're just gas, battery, check oil, and go. It's kind of nice.
That's awesome.
This is what he wants. Pretty quick, and again you still have all of your functions here, like you have your navigation, and then you have your down scan for your charts or for your fish finders if you wish to do that, and then you have all your mercury entry data too. So struggle to get on plane unless you have a function like Mastercraft's auto launch. I mean, this thing is propped so low that it just pops right up on plane. It will top off at about 45 miles an hour, so it's going to be a lot closer to what an inboard top speed is. I mean, typical top speed on a boat like this, you're really talking 48 to 52 with a normal stern drive, so you're losing, 5 to 6 miles an hour total top end speed to have that reverse 4S drive. But now you can do everything else that you want to, and all you're really doing is sacrificing the top 5 miles an hour that nobody really ever uses anyways. So now that we're full, all I'm going to do is just tap the turn on button. Got me neutral. Tap turn on. My fingers will let me because they're so cold. And then from there you can change your wave size right here. Now the wave on this is not going to form until you hit 5 miles an hour. The tab will not deploy until you hit 5 miles an hour. Bye.